Hello friends, welcome to DLK Nursing Academy and welcome back to DLK Nursing Academy. Today I am going to conduct a new session or a continuous session of Introduction to the Human Anatomy and Physiology. In that last video we have discussed part 1. I will give a link in description box. You can see, if you not seeing that video, you can see the first video and then next continue with the second part video of this anatomy and physiology introduction part. Today we are going to discuss in this chapter, that is organ system of body. Organ system of body. In this system, organ system of body, one thing I have to tell, if you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe DLK Nursing Academy with a pressing bell icon. Click all and get notified whenever uploading the videos. You will get the notify and view completely video regarding these organs of system of body. You will understand organ system of body. Let's start. Organ system of body. The human body has several organ systems that work interdependently and carry out specific function. A human body has several organs. In our body have several organ systems that work interdependently and carry out specific function. One different organ has a different function compared to other organs. And next, this system influence each other and work together to maintain health. These systems are influenced by the work with together to maintain health, for proper maintenance of health and providing protection from diseases. Any diseases will occur, the health will be provide protection from the disease and allow for the reproduction of the human species. And health and also organs are there for allowing the reproduction of the human species. The various structures constituting this body system and their functions are discussed in figure. Okay, we will discuss in this continuous part. The various structures containing various parts are there, various systems are there. In that, first system is integumentary system. In this session we are only discussing introduction part of the some organs of the system, that is integumentary system. What in this part integumentary system, what will constitute and what they function, only this much we will discuss. And later on upcoming videos we will discuss about related to the integumentary system, like skin, air, nails. Okay, integumentary system only integumentary system constitute what in that skin, air and nails. We will discuss integumentary system, that skin, air and nails. Skin, I will show skin, okay, skin, air and nails. Okay, what are the functions of this means, I will explain. Skin is a major sensory organ responsible for, skin is one of the major sensory organ is there and responsible for the protection of body and regulation of body temperature, elimination of water. If three functions are there, in that functions we will discuss in physiology of skin. Physiological functions of skin means, first function is protection of body and regulation of body temperature, elimination of waste. Okay, the next system is, skeletal system. In that skeletal system we will study about bones, joints and associated cartilages. What are the associated cartilages are there in that, and bones, what are the bones are there, and what are the joints are there. We will discuss in the skeletal system, related to bones, related to cartilages, related to joints. Okay, and next functions of skeletal system is provide support and protection to the body. Here functions is there, provide support and protection to the body. Okay, here protection and support to the body of. The next, helps in the body movements. Here helps in the body movements. The function of the skeletal system is helps in body movements. The next system is muscular system. Muscular system in this is contain mainly skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles related to heart. Okay. Then what are the functions are there? Means in that functions we will see skeletal muscle helps in body movement. Skeletal muscles helps in the body movement for movement of the body. Skeletal muscles uses in skeletal muscles plus skeletal bones can be helpful in body movements and maintenance of posture, our straight body maintenance or body posture maintenance, and production of heat also make muscular system. Then muscular system complete. And the next is nervous system. Okay, nervous system constitutes is brain, spinal cord, nerves, spinal sensory organs like ear, eyes, and ears. We will see in this video. In this part, nervous system contains brain, spinal cord, nerves, and special sensory organs, that is eyes and ears. Okay. The next functions of nervous system is regulation of body activities and body internals and external environment by nerve impulses. Regulation of body activities. In that nervous system, we will study functions related to regulation of body activities like internal and external environment by nerve impulses. By nervous system, with the help of neurons. Okay. The next system is endocrine system. In this endocrine system, we will study, that is hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, pineal gland, parathyroid gland, pancreas, ovaries, adrenal gland. And next is enteroendocrine glands. Enteroendocrine glands are studying. Then what are the functions of endocrine systems? Are regulation of the body activities here by releasing hormones. Regulation of the body activities by releasing hormones. This is the functions of endocrine glands. The next system is urinary system. Is a eliminatory system, or you can also say excretory system. In that constitutes kidney, ureters, and urinary bladder, and ureters and urethra. I will tell difference between ureters and urethra in later class. That is urinary system, related to urinary system. In that, functions of the urinary system is production, storage, elimination of urine. It has three functions, that is production, storage, and elimination of urine. The next is regulation of volume and chemical composition of blood. Regulation of volume and chemical composition of the blood, and maintenance of acid-base balance. The urinary system also maintains the acid-base balance in the body. Remember, three main functions of the urinary system is there, or excretory system is there, that is production, storage, and elimination. In that also some functions are there, that is regulation of volume and chemical composition of blood. That is volume, regulation of volume, and how much chemicals are composed in the blood, and how much volume of that chemical present in the blood, that all detect in the presence of urine, and we will detect by diagnosing the urine analysis. And also maintenance of the acid base balance in the body of the body. Urinary system is a main and greater function is maintenance of acid base balance. Remember, these points will you help in the exams and also in the competitive nursing exams also. Remember, kept in mind, these points are remember. And the next is cardiovascular system. In that cardiovascular system, we have to see in that heart, blood vessels, and in that blood vessels there are two types of blood vessels are there, that is arteries and veins. Then another one is capillaries there. And in that anatomy I will tell the heart related to heart and blood vessels and the blood. In that blood we are discussing about blood compositions and what are the compositions of blood, how much the elements are composed and how much plasma composed and what are the cells that are present related to blood we will discuss. And the next is lymphatic system. In that lymphatic system we will see that is spleen, thymus, tonsils, lymphoid nodes and lymphatic vessels. The functions of cardiovascular system is heart pumps the blood through the blood vessels. In that, heart as a main function is pumping nature. Heart pushes to the forward to reach another blood vessels or carry blood vessels to other parts. The next, blood carries oxygen and nutrients to the cells and takes away waste and carbon dioxide from the cell. What will do the heart function means a blood carries oxygen and nutrients to the cells, and that takes away from that is waste products and carbon dioxide from that cells. This is the cyclic process of the function of heart or function of cardiovascular system. And next functions of lymphatic system, that is return proteins and fluids to the blood. Return proteins and fluids to the blood, removes bacteria, toxics and other foreign bodies from the tissues. Lymphatic system helps to remove the bacteria if the presence of toxics and other foreign bodies will be in the presence, that will removal of the bacteria. And lymph serves as an important route of intestinal fat absorption. Is a main important here. Important route. This is lymphatic system act as a route for the intestinal fat absorption. And next, sites of maturation and proliferation of B and T cells. Here lymphatic systems as a lymphatic B cells and lymphatic T cells will be formed, and maturation site is there. It is a maturation site and removal of bacteria, an important route for intestinal fat absorption. The next system is respiratory system. In that respiratory system we will study about pharynx, larynx. Okay. Respiratory system. In that we will discuss pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchial tubes and lungs. Sorry friends, here slide will be happened wrong. Okay, respiratory system, pharynx, larynx, trachea and brachial tubes and lungs. In that respiratory system we will study about lungs and brachial tubes and bronchioles, trachea, larynx, pharynx. This is also respiratory system. In that functions we will discuss transfer of oxygen from the air. Transferring function is there. Lungs has a transferring function, that is transfer of oxygen from inhaled air to blood and carbon dioxide from the blood to exhaled air. that means the inhaled air to blood and carbon dioxide from the blood from the exhaled air. Whenever we are inhaling, that carries oxygen for the blood. Whenever our exhaling means relaxing, that time the carbon dioxide will be reached to the carbon dioxide will be excreted through blood in the form of air. Okay. Regulation of acid base balance of fluids, body fluids. Here urinary system is also having the regulation of acid base balance in the body, and here acid base balance of the regulation of acid base balance of the body fluids, that is extracellular fluid and intracellular fluid. Okay. The next system is digestive system. In that digestive system, the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestine, salivary glands, liver and gallbladder and associated drugs to related to liver and pancreas. The next functions of the digestive systems are digestion of food, absorption, elimination. 3 functions are there: digestion, absorption, elimination. Okay. The next is female reproductive system. In that female reproductive system, we are going to discuss about constituents, that is ovaries, urinary bladder, urinary tubes, uterus, vagina and mammary glands will be discussed. And what are the functions of that is production of gametes, release of hormones that regulates the reproduction and helps in the development of secondary sexual characteristics, and mammary glands for lactation, and the male reproductive system consists of testes, ductus deferens and seminal vessels and prostate glands and penis. And functions are there: production of gametes, same, and release of hormones regulating the reproduction and help the secondary sexual characters. Same function between the male and female reproductive system. And penis is the main copulatory organ, for the male reproductive system. This is about organ system of the body. In this video we will discuss in this much only, and in the part 3 we will discuss about skeletons, and the next part will be conducted on next part. If you have any doubts regarding organ system of the body, we will comment it on the comment box. Comment box is yours. And if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe my channel DLK Nursing Academy, and click the bell icon for getting notification. Please, if I did any mistake, please comment me in the box. I will improve my teaching or lecturing. Okay. Thank you, friends.